Hello everybody, this is Kevin with Inspiring How You See That. We're the inspirational channel that goes behind the scenes, interviews some of your favorite artists, entertainers, and much more. So today we're going to be helping you out with putting the camera in the background. So depending upon whatever you're doing, if you're doing a reaction, training, whatever it may be, and you want to add your camera and have people see you talking back there, what you'll want to do is you'll want to click the plus button, click on video capture device. You can name this anything that you want depending upon what camera you have. If you're using your cell phone, Logitech, whatever camera. I mean, a lot of people use laptops. If there's already one on your desktop computer, it'll automatically come up. But you'll just put in a name if you want. Right now we're not. We're just going to click OK, and you'll see there's a snap camera here. We have like 3 or 4 different cameras on ours that we could utilize. There's the Logitech Brio and the OBS virtual camera. But we're just basically showing you here, because even if we click on our Logitech Brio, it will not work since we're doing this video now, and we have the Logitech Brio working on another device. It's not going to repeat it twice on here to show you. So let's just say you clicked OK, and of course, and you wanted your Logitech on there, and it pops up. It will do this, you know, and then you'll have your recorded screen going. Now, if you want to move, depending upon where you want to be in the screen, you can move it around, change it around, put it in the corner, put it in the bottom, you know, kind of like ours is, in the corner bottom of the screen. And then what you always want to do is sometimes we've had questions too where this doesn't pop up and it actually looks like this, and there's nothing there, but you can see the screen. The reasoning for that is you see here, there is the ocean on top of your camera. You always have to have your video capture device on top. So it has to be the first one. So that way your camera is overlaying the ocean setting. So and you can do multiple devices and stuff within there, and we'll talk about that in the next videos, but this is just how you add your camera. There's all kinds of topics we can help you out with too within the camera, the settings and all that, in the sound settings. In the next video we'll probably cover a little bit on the sound settings and a few other things, and we'll keep moving on with additional topics. Again, if there's a question that you have or something that you're stuck on, let us know in the comments or shoot us an email, and we'll get back as far as trying to do a video as quick as we can and get it out. So make sure that you do like and subscribe, so that way you'll get the notification when that video comes out.